In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a table of contents in Word. A table of contents saves readers time and keeps long documents organized. But it only works properly when Word understands which parts of your document are titles and which are regular paragraphs. That's why we will start by applying heading styles. Open your document and highlight a chapter title or a section header. With that text selected, go to the Home tab at the top of the window. In the Styles area, choose Heading 1 for your main titles. For any subsections beneath those main titles, use Heading 2. And if you have a third level, Heading 3. You are not just changing how the text looks, you are tagging it so Word knows its level in the structure. Apply these styles consistently anywhere you have a title or subheading. If you've been manually bolding or resizing text, replace that formatting with the appropriate heading style so Word can recognize it reliably. This also powers the navigation pane and improves accessibility for screen readers, so it's a best practice beyond just the table of contents. As you keep writing, style new headings right away to keep everything accurate. Next, decide where you want the table of contents to appear, typically near the beginning after a cover page. Click to place your cursor exactly where you want it, then switch to the References tab on the ribbon. On the far left, click Table of Contents. From the drop-down, select one of the automatic table options. Instantly, Word will generate a complete list of your headings with page numbers. And it will indent each level to reflect Heading 1, Heading 2, and Heading 3. Here is no need to type the list manually. The automatic table handles formatting and alignment for you. Documents evolve, so updating is simple. If you add new sections, rename a heading, or if page numbers shift, click anywhere inside the table of contents, choose Update Table or right-click and select Update Field. Then pick Update Entire Table. This refreshes both the headings and the page numbers and is the safest choice after structural edits. If you ever notice the table skipping a section, it usually means that header wasn't assigned a heading style. Apply the correct style and update the entire table again. Make it a habit to run an update just before you share or print, so your table always reflects the latest version of your document. And that's it. Thanks for watching.